Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to cast screen to TV on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. In order to connect to TV, we need to go to the settings. Over here, go to more connectivity options and then choose cast over here. And then we have the cast option here. We need to tap on the slider in order to turn it on, and we need to allow interconnectivity services to find, connect to, and determine the relative position of nearby devices so that of course the TV can be detected, as well as our device for the TV if that's the case. Then of course if the hotspot is enabled, then you will need to turn it off. And there we go, we are now searching for nearby devices, and you need to connect both your mobile device and TV to the same Wi-Fi network. So before you can actually detect your device, your TV, you need to connect to Wi-Fi on your Xiaomi as well as on TV to the same Wi-Fi network, and then you should be able to detect your TV over here and connect to it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!